analysis or statistic, specifically a topic called matrix. I want us to do matrix. And matrix, simply, it is rectangular arrangement of numbers. Now, we are going to do one illustration here. That is quantitative analysis by Kasneb. An examination that was done on December 2024, question number 1C. Number 1C. Question number 1C. And the question reads, the 2x2 matrices A, X, and B are given as follows. We have A here. We are being told A is equals to 10, 4, add 2 here. We have our X. X is equal to A, B, C, and D. Then B is equals to, we are being told B is equals to 18, 14, 8, and here it is 10. We are being told, given that AX is equals to B, find values of A, B, C, and D. So we are being told AX is equals to B, then we find values of A, B, C, and D. Now, it is very simple. Whenever you write a matrix like this, it means we take A, we multiply by X. So we are going to take A. My A is 10. We have 10, 4, and 2. 4 and 2. Then our X is A, B, C, and D. And we are being told this one is equals to B. Our B is 18, 14, 8, and 10. All right. Now, this is how we multiply the matrix. The first one, you see, first row, first column. So 10 times A, that is 10A, plus 4 times C, that is 4C. We put a comma there. 10 times B, we get 10B, plus 4 times D, we get 4D. We now come to the second row, first column. So 4 times A, that gives you 4A. 2 times C, that is 2C. Put a comma there. We have now the second row, second column. 4 times B, we get 4B, plus 2 times D, we get 2D. Now, that is it. Now we are supposed to equate this with our B here. We equate it with our B there. Now, it means the first element here is equals to the first element there. So, I'm having now 10A plus 4C is equals to 18. Also, my second here, we have 4A plus 2C is equal to 8. Now, this gives you simultaneous equation. When I come to this also, I will say 10b plus 4b is equals to 14. Also, 4b plus 2d is equal to 10. This is also a simultaneous equation. And since we want the value of a, b, c, and d, we can now proceed. Let me wrap up here so that we can solve this simultaneous equation. Now, let's solve this one. We have 10a plus 4c is equals to 18. And we have 4a plus 2c is equals to 8. We can use either elimination method, we can use substitution method. We have various methods of solving simultaneous equation, but I want us to use elimination method. And elimination is whereby you make one of the unknown to be equal. For example, here you have 4c and here you have 2c. I can multiply the entire of this equation by 2 and the entire of this equation by 4. Let's see. So open the bracket. 2 times 10, we have 20a. 2 times 4, we have 8c. 2 times 18, that gives you 36. Come here. 4 times 4a, we get 16. 16a. 4 times 2c, we get around 8c. You can now see this and this are equal. C and C is now equal, and that is what we call now elimination. Take 4 by 8, we get around 32. Since C and C is equal, we can eliminate it. And the signs are the same, so we use negative here. This is positive and positive, we use negative, meaning we minus. If the signs were opposite, we would use positive sign there. So take 20 minus 16, we get 4a. 8c minus 8c, that is 0. So is equals to take 36 minus 32, we get 4. So my a is equals to, divide both sides by 4, we get our a is equals to 1. So our answer for a is equals to 1. That is the answer for a. We now compute the value of c. Value of c. And the value of c, we can use either the first equation or the second equation, and answer will be the same. Let's use the second equation, for example. We have 4a plus 2c is equals to 8. Wherever we have a, we put 1. So 4, 1 plus 2c is equals to 8. Is equals to 8. Okay, 4 is equals, 4 plus 2c is equals to 8. Bring this the other side. So 2c is equals to 8 minus 4. That gives you. So what is the value of c? We divide both sides, so our c is equals to 2. So c is equals to 2. We come to b and d. B and D. We solve it. B and D. Now, my equation here, I'm having 10b plus 4d. I believe this is d. This was d. 4d is equals to 14. 4b plus 2d is equal to 10. We also use elimination method, and I'm preferring to use, you can use You can balance with either 10 and 4 or 4 and 2. It is only that I want to use a smaller digit. So I'm going to multiply the entire of second equation by 4, entire of first equation by 2. We multiply with this coefficient. If this was 6, I would multiply this by 6. If this was 5, I would multiply this by 5. And whether you use 4 and 2 or 10 and 4, answer will be the same. You can attest to that. Now, again, don't forget that we open bracket by multiplying whatever is outside with whatever is inside the bracket. So not just this and that. No. So take 2 times 10, we get 20b. 2 times 4, we get 8d. Take 2 times 14, that is 28. Take 4 by 4, that is 16b. Take 4 by 2, that is 8d. Take 4 by 10, that is 40. You can see d and d is equal, and that is where elimination is coming in. We minus. Take 20 minus 16, that is 4b. Take 28 minus 40, that is negative 12. So divide by 4 both sides by 4. So our b is equal to negative 3. So b is equals to negative 3. We can now have the value of d. Very simple. We just use the original equation. Add the original equation. I will use 4b plus 2d is equals to 10. Even if you use 10b plus 4d is equals to 14, answer will be the same. Now, since we have the value of b, we can substitute now. Wherever we have b, we put negative 3 plus 2d is equals to 10. So this is negative 12 plus 2d is equal to 10. Like terms together, bring this to the other side so that we can have 2d is equals to 10 plus 12. Since it was negative, when it crosses the border, it will be positive. So we have 2d is equal to 22. You divide by 2 so that we can have our d as 11. So our d is equals to 11. And that is the answer. That is the answer. So if they have asked you to put them in a matrix, we just come and say x is equals to A, B, C, and D. That is it. That is it. That is it. If this is helpful for you, just subscribe, share to your friend, and then we'll be good. Again, it is good to say that we have online classes. You can just call that number there. We organize for online classes for those who are taking CPA, who are taking ATD, those who are taking CAMS, those who are taking NEC courses, business related that is, those who are taking statistics and the likes.